unyana omncinci sengaphandle lithi iBhayibheli ifa laphela. Uma kuphela ifa, the younger son came back to his senses. Umebuyela eziqondweni zakhe. Wenza umthandazo. Wenza umthandazo othi, I am going back to my father. Wenza umthandazo othi, Baba ngonile phambi kwakho. Ngonile naphambi kwezulu. Angisafanelekile ukuba yindodana yakho. Make me like your servant. Unyana olahleko wathi xa ibuyele ekhaya, Apostle sephele i-estate, sephelile ifa, akasabuyi ethi give me, uthi make me. This is our prayer. Apostle Tugele, Prophet Sindela, may God make you before he bless you. May God make you before he anoints you. May God make you before he prospers you. May God make you before he opens doors. Make me like one of your servants. When unyana ethi make me, ututata wamanga, wanasema umphathisa ingubo, wanasaynikeza wanasaynikeza ring as a confirmation, a confirmer uba lona lahlekile ubuyile. Now the relationship between the son and the father has been restored. Ithi iBhayibheli unyana omdala wayengekho, he was on the fields. Unyana omdala wayikhathalela into zikababa, but engayikhathalelanga inhliziyo kababa. Sibona onyana babini abalahlekileyo, omnye ulahleke ngaphandle kodwa omnye ulahleke ngaphakathi. Sovuya ngenxa yonyana olahleke ngaphandle, kodwa search your heart. Uba wena ubamba imic, are you still in the heart of the Father? When ubamba imic, ngoba there is ukulahleka outside, nokulahleka inside. Lo mncinci walahleka physical, kodwa lo mdala, he was present physical and he was lost spiritual. Siyakwazi ulahleka sishumayela, siyakwazi ulahleka silima, siyakwazi ulahleka si-loyal to the pastor, but isn't far from the presence. Ithi iBhayibheli wathi xa ibuya, he was angry. Wabuza kwenzeka ntoni, yayani nale nkolo, kodwa unyana umbrata wakho ubuyile. Wathi Lord, I have been serving you, I have been loyally, kodwa sakundixhelele netakane legusha. Unyana omdala waba nomona yegrace, ngoba igrace will from bitterness. Onyana abadala, igrace will from jealousy. Onyana abadala, iswathi namhlanje uyathandwa noma ulahlekile.